And it's another 6105 on the menu for today. So this one here, the first thing you notice about this one is it's had a very bizarre loom job done. So they've removed all the old loom and they've replaced it with some sort of shiny loom, which would probably look alright if it wasn't shiny, but it's shiny, so that'll have to be chipped out and replaced. Once that's replaced, that'll look a lot better. Just looking at the bezel, it looks like that one's missing the click ball as well. I can feel it clicking on something, but I think it could be the spring rather than the ball. But I'll find out when all that's open. Now the crown there, that'll need gaskets put in there, so I'll need to take that apart. That feels a little bit loose setting, so I'm gonna guess that probably the cannon pinion needs tightening, and it's just a bit ridgy as well. I should say there's probably some dirt or wear in there. So that locks on as it should. I'll just take the back off. It's not coming off, so I'm going to have to put it in a jig just to get that off. But I can hear it spinning, so that's usually a good sign. Just looking at the case, I probably wouldn't do too much with that. Just go over the polished surfaces and just clean those off a bit, and that's really about it. It's the date there set, so that's good news. But yeah, I'll just try this back again, just one sec. No, that's stuck on really tight, so I'll have to put that in a jig to get that off. But yeah, what I do when I remove the loom is just very carefully chip it out with a very sharp knife. A sharp knife is better than a blunt one, because a sharp knife will slice through that very quickly, and really you want to be in there as little time as possible. Also, a sharp knife, because it will cut quite quickly, doesn't tend to drag, so you've got a lot less chance of missing and then skipping across the dial and ruining the dial. But yeah, looming these is tricky, and you have to be in the right frame of mind to do it. But you get a great result if you stick it out and have the patience to do it. So yeah, I think that'll come up really good. It's probably going to have the barrel arbor wear issue, so I dare say I'll have to jewel at least the bottom pivot, and we'll see how we go with the top. But usually the tops are okay, or you can turn them a bit just to get the worn side off. But I can almost guarantee that'll be a problem on this one. Yeah, so I'll speak to you more about it, but that's really what we're looking at. So I don't think we'll have too many surprises here, because it is in good condition besides the loom. The loom is, yeah, I'm just picking that up on the light there. That's really weird. I don't know why you'd do that, but that's what we're looking at.